Hi everyone, welcome back to the Full Range Room, and hello to those who are just starting out with their yoga practice. Today I will be sharing about Surya Namaskar A and B. These are the two kinds of sun salutations that you will encounter first in your yoga journey. Alright, I learned a third kind of sun salutation in teacher training, but I will just share that in a different video. Okay, so let's get started. So let me just breeze through Surya Namaskar A and B. Sometimes we teachers like to add variations within the sun salutation itself, but it helps to also know the structure, all right, the basic structure of Surya Namaskar. So let's start with Surya Namaskar A. We start 6 inches off the top of the mat. Okay, that's about the right distance. This is usually where we begin sequences. As we inhale, we're going to reach the arms up. However you want to reach your arms up, it's totally fine. Circling the arms up, all right, or maybe bring the arms forward and up. And then once you're there, it's also your choice whether to have the hands apart or together in Anjali Mudra. As we exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Again, your choice on how to get there. You can come down like I did with hands in Anjali Mudra. You can also swan dive down, or you can also do arms forward and down. Okay, once we're here in Uttanasana, if your hands or fingertips don't reach the floor, you can always have them anywhere on the legs, all right? From here, inhale, open the chest. The hands can remain on the floor, okay, or they might hike up on the legs, okay? And then as we exhale, we're going to step or jump back, Chaturanga. All right. And then from there, we will inhale, up dog, exhale, down dog. Okay, so if you haven't, if this is your first time to watch my videos, okay, you might want to check out my video on Chaturanga and Vinyasa. So that's where Chaturanga, up dog, and down dog are sort of broken down. All right. At the end of our exhalation, from here, we'll step forward, okay, or jump in between the hands. Now, if our step comes too short and we end up maybe here, that's totally fine. You can take as many steps as you need. So just make sure that we walk the feet to the hands and not the hands to the feet. Okay, if you need to stand up, that's okay, just move forward. Then from here, we'll inhale, open the chest again, hands on the floor or on the legs. Exhale, face to shin, come up. Okay, whether you're circling the arms up or arms forward and up. All right, palms together or apart. And then exhale. Okay, relax. So you can finish your Surya Namaskar A here. All right, or you can bring the palms down. Circle the palms down, I mean. All right, so let me just do one quick Surya Namaskar A. All right, inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Okay, at the end of an exhalation, step or jump forward. In between the hands, inhale, open the chest. Exhale, face to shin, come up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, relax. Now for Surya Namaskar B, we'll start with Utkatasana. Inhale. Okay, this is our Utkatasana. Exhale, hands to floor, straighten the legs. Inhale, open the chest, look forward. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right foot forward. All right, now when we have the foot forward, it's beside the same side thumb. All right, so if again, our step comes too short, adjust however you need to bring the foot there. All right, to do this, or bring your hand over, however you like. All right, once you are ready, okay, you can turn the back foot flat, okay, or keep the heel up. Okay, as you reach the arms up, Virabhadrasana 1. This is the more traditional one. Others also prefer to do high lunge, so they keep their heels up. And then we reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to floor, chaturanga, or one leg. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left foot forward. Okay, arms up. Virabhadrasana 1 or high lunge. Exhale, hands to floor, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. At the end of our exhalation, we step or jump forward in between the hands. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, face to shin. Bend the knees. Inhale, arms up, Utkatasana. Exhale, back to standing. All right, so notice how from Utkatasana, yeah, I'll stay at the center, Utkatasana to Uttanasana, forward fold. All right, I say hands to floor first before straightening the legs. All right, inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, hands to floor. Straighten the legs. All right, because if we do that, especially if we're still starting, we bring the hands to the floor, right? As we exhale, our hamstrings might be tight. So once we lift the legs, the hands might come up on the legs, and that's really okay. All right? But with this kind of movement, coming down first before straightening the legs, the back is already long, all right? Our weight is already on the balls of the feet, okay? And our hamstrings are getting stretched. Now, if we were to do that the other way, back to Utkatasana, we straighten the legs first, and then we fall. What usually happens is our back is already round once we get down there, and our weight is on the heels. So see, my hips are towards the back. It's not here. All right, and the asana is really not doing anything for us. All right, so that's Surya Namaskar A and Surya Namaskar B for you. I hope this was helpful, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss out. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.